department had to respond multiple times due to reports of flooding in Netherlands. The single in Inschied is flooded in multiple locations. The Prinsessa Tunnel is also underwater.
Waar de klep op staat. Ja. Maar ja, die fietsen kan
The center of Losser was completely submerged around the roundabout in the center. Several cars got stuck. The fire department was called for assistance. The area has been cordoned off by emergency services. On Eektestraat in Oldenzal, an underpass is flooded. An ambulance got stuck here. The patient was transferred to another ambulance. The L1 near De Lut was closed in both directions. Cars were floating on the road. A parking garage of a new apartment complex on Getvertwijk in Inschied flooded on Sunday evening. Several cars were completely submerged. The fire department worked through the night to pump out the garage. The damage is enormous. The railway tunnel on Lambertus-Boddestraat was still closed around midnight. The municipality is pumping out the water. The KNNI had issued a code yellow for severe showers. There is still disruption in Inschied on Monday morning. The Prinsessa Tunnel remains closed to traffic.
Droog. Bij ons is het droog.
Ja, gelukkig wel. Erg toch?
The weather forecast for the coming days remains uncertain, with more rain predicted. Residents are advised to stay informed and take necessary precautions. The fire department and other emergency services remain on high alert, ready to respond